welcome to Food Wiz. I'm your girl Lilian Majanja, and thanks for tuning in. This is the best food show when it comes to Uganda. Yeah, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. On today's episode, we are here at Noors restaurant at Kingdom Kampala, just at the entrance. Yeah, so the moment you get to Kingdom Kampala, the first restaurant outside, you should check it out. And I'll introduce my guests later because I know you guys are used to seeing guests, different faces. Today I have very interesting people. I can't wait for you guys to meet them. And today we are going to prepare something interesting, the breakfast combo. So I can't wait for you guys to see what we have today. Our guest, our first guest is called Sammy Boy. He's a musician. Hello there, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm okay. Can you tell us something about yourself?
My name is Sammy Boy, real name Zunzo Raymond Samuel. Okay. So I started music in 2019 and recorded my first song in 2020. Okay. It was a single, Mochidongo, so that's my brief biography.
Okay. So is the video out?
The video of Mochidongo, not really, but I have one video called Being Sober, the YouTube channel, yeah.
Let's meet his manager plus the songwriter, Danny. Hello, how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm fine, nice hairstyle.
Thanks for appreciating.
Yeah, can you tell us something small about yourself? Something little.
My name is Skyline Danny Chigozi. So proud to be a Uganda. Yeah, nice to be here with you. Yeah, so.
I know. He has been dying to be part of this show because he's a huge fan. You can see the hairstyle and everything, the swag. Let's meet our third guest, Mr. Frank. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm okay. What's your name?
I'm Frank Katumba.
Nice to meet you, Katumba, Frank. Yeah, can you tell us something brief about yourself, what you do, your job and everything?
Mostly, I'm a musician. I play like trumpet and mainly.
That's interesting. So as you can see, guys, today I got people in the music industry. I feel very special. So let's go in the kitchen and make them something interesting for breakfast. Let's meet our chef. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, madam.
What's your name?
I'm Chef Patrick at your service.
Okay, nice to meet you. Can you tell us what we are preparing?
Actually, I'm chopping onion, which is part of our combo. You have heard about it.
Okay, what's the name of the combo?
The combos we have different types. We have 6 types of combos.
Okay.
And as you can see from here, this is my eggs. I chopped the tomatoes. This is my lettuce. These are tomatoes. This is the condiments for fried egg, the garlic. This is sausages, beef sausages, which is part of the combo. Okay. This is my beef, and this is my chicken breast, and this is my liver, and this is my chapati. Yes, and this is my banana plantain. Okay. This and this is my butter. You can see my pancakes there. Yes, which is part of the combo.
Everything is part of the combo.
Yes, and the same though, this one you can see. This one also making waffles. Yes, madam.
Why are we using small onions? Why are we chopping them up?
Actually, to chop it so finely is just to make it to cook very fast, not to take a lot of
time.
Yes.
And how many onions have you used?
Onion, it depends. It's like, let's say like for one order, okay, for one person, I can use half onion. Plate there, please, guys. I see now it's done around.
So that's ready. does it take to prepare this dish in summary?
Actually, when you have all at your disposal, you have got your vegetables is ready. This is less than 5 minutes. You have seen, I have my meat here, I have everything I want, I have at my
Everything
disposal.
nearby, yes.
And everything, even the oil, just done in very fast, 5 minutes should be ready.
That was very fast.
Yes.
Someone can't go hungry while here. So,
Yeah, because everything is ready.
yeah, I can
Yeah.
say that. I can't wait for my guests to taste this and they tell me what they think. You are the head chef, right?
Yes, madam.
Oh, it's
You are
ple-
welcome.
It's a pleasure working with you.
Pleasure too.
Can you tell us a brief background about the combo, how it came about and everything?
One thing we decided that we have the continental breakfast and the English breakfast, which are so common everywhere in hotels. So we said if we will come with a combo where that people may have eggs, meat, liver, that it will be more because everybody will feel that he has eaten either. It's like more than a lunch. It's not more than a breakfast because you can see it is having one. This is liver, this is beef, and this is chicken. So it's more than a breakfast.
Yeah, I can.
Yes, that's why we decided to come with the combo. Yes. You're having breakfast as well as if lunch. That's why I combine that with the word combo.
Okay.
Yes.
Tips and advice for people who would want to try the combo out.
The tips.
Yes.
What I can say that is people should come because we have what it takes.
Okay.
We have the quality, we have the good chefs. So people should come.
Yeah.
This is the right place to be.
Yeah, plus the good customer
The
care.
good customer gather with my lovely ladies there, my chefs there, they are ready for them.
Yes, so as you can see, we have our breakfast combo over here. The plates are kind of different. You can see his plate is having different things. You can see the pancakes, the fries, the chicken, and the rest, whatever. Yeah, so can you tell us how does it taste like? The American pancakes, how do they taste like, Sammy boy?
The American pancake tastes like I've never tasted something like this before. 'Cause,
Really?
yeah, it's it's new and yeah, you should taste it
Better than ice cream.
better.
Okay, how about you, Danny?
Chicken is fine. I want to eat.
You want to eat? I should let you eat. I should stop asking. I love him. How about you, Frank? How is the plantain? How is the gonja and the meat? Eh. Gonja muwulidde kaakanya. Thank you guys for sticking around with us as you have been here at Noors Restaurant. You have seen the different breakfast combos they have. Don't forget to check it out. It's at Kingdom Kampala along Now Avenue. I have to remind you to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm your girl Lilian Majanja. Have a great day and bye. To this side, yeah? Hello guys, welcome to Food Wiz. I'm your girl Lilian Majanja, and this is the best cat. And okay, yeah? Timala.